Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are gonna be unboxing the long-awaited and anticipated palette by Jeffree Star and Dawson. So I had to order mine from Beautylish because when I was ready to order my palette from the Jeffree Star website, it kept crashing and crashing and crashing. And I'm like, hell no, I'm not about to wait. So I went to beautylish.com and their website crashed too a couple times, but I was able to check out in like the first 5 minutes or so. When you order from Beautylish, you get the Jeffree Star wrapping. Well, let's just open it up. Ooh, it's so cute! Look you guys, it's here, oh my god. It's cute! Oh my god. This feels expensive, guys. I mean, it was $52, but I mean, that's a really good price point for the way this is presented and the way it looks, the way it feels. So this is the outside of the palette. Really cute. I hope the camera is picking up the colors, how they truly look. Can y'all see that? So that one here is kind of like the color that I'm wearing right now, but just a little bit more yellow than green. But all these colors are really, really pretty. So before we dig into the palette, we're gonna start with priming the face. And today we're gonna be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. So like, I have some news for you guys. I don't know if you guys watched my live stream last week or 2 weeks ago, where I talked about, you know, new beginnings and wanting to start fresh. Well, I left my previous job to work at a new salon, and now I'm gonna start working at Ulta tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow's my first day, and I'm so excited to actually be able to grow in the industry because that was my goal since beauty school. And I feel like I was at a standstill for the past 5 years in the previous company that I was. And my goal was to grow and to try to become artistic director for the company that I worked with, and nothing ever happened. That company went nowhere. No openings ever opened. Like, that company sucked. Because I feel like Ulta actually does care in a way about their stylist, and I feel like there's actual possibilities of growing there. Because with Regis or the Beautiful Group, which took over Mastercuts, like, there was no growing there. Like, I don't know. That's all I gotta say about that, but now I'll be working at Ulta Beauty Salon. Hey, hit me up. So now that the primer is on, we're gonna move into the foundation. So we're gonna use my all-time favorite foundation, which is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Foundation. This shit will cover your soul for sure. I have a beard going on, so I'm not really gonna put any here, you know, but I will blend it in nicely, you know. I went to Las Vegas this past week and it was so fun. I went to see Gwen Stefani and we did a couple other things, me and Kiki. We stayed at the Luxor, we stayed at the Bellagio. But yeah, the main goal was to go see Gwen Stefani, and we did. You'll see all of this in another video because I did record a lot of videos. So it'll be a lot of editing, but I'm planning on releasing it by the end of this week. But who knows, because now I'm starting with Ulta and I'm already booked. I'm excited to actually be able to grow. And I'm more excited because at Ulta, as a hairstylist, you're able to provide makeup services. So I'm excited to be learning a couple of more things with Ulta because they do give you classes, you know, you do go through trainings. You know, that's something that I missed. We didn't do that at the at the old company. So now that the foundation is on, we're gonna move on to the bronzer, and we're gonna bronze up the face. And we're gonna be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in the shade Mocha. I forgot the name, but it's the darker one. I always recommend bronzing up the face and everything, because otherwise you'll look too pale and it doesn't look natural when you just look flat. Like when you just wear foundation, you look flat. You don't have dimension. So you gotta add a little bit of dimension to your face. That's why you add bronzer, or that's why you contour. And then also, we're gonna be using a little bit of the new colors that I got with the Jeffree Star mystery box, because I didn't get to use it on the other one. I just filmed the unboxing really quickly because we actually had to go somewhere. Sorry about that quick unboxing video, but hope you all enjoyed it. So the face is contoured and bronzed. Now we're gonna move into the blush, and for the blush we're gonna be using the e.l.f. blush in the shade Mellow Mauve. Blush is now on. Oh, to whoever packaged my box, this is your signature. I mean, this is you. If this is you, thank you so much, you guys. You guys are the best. Yeah, this got here on Sunday, but I live in a gated community and the FedEx guy cannot get in. So he ended up not delivering it on Sunday. Today is Monday. And he delivered it in the front desk, at the front desk. Moving on, too much chit chat. First we have to bake under the eye, so in case we have any fallout, we can just sweep it up, right? Make sure you pack that powder on there, guys. We don't want no fallout to ruin our look. Oh my god, imagine this doesn't come off. That would be so sad. I'm so excited for you guys to see my little Vegas vlog. It was cute, it was so fun. We had a lot of fun. You guys, don't mind my face right now. We'll wipe this off. Okay, so finally, it's time to play with the palette. I'm really loving the middle row. That's like calling me. Because I love fun colors. I love crazy colors. Y'all know that. Y'all should know that by now. The top is very neutral, you know. The middle row is funky fun. And the bottom row is like mysterious fun. I don't know, I can't explain it. It's nice and dark. Okay, so the top row we have Ranch, My Pills, Tanacon, Diet Root Beer, Just the Theory, and Spiraling. And then we have Conspiracy, Pigment, Food Videos, Trisha, Cheese Dust, and Flaming Hot. And then we have What's the Tea? Diet Cola, Not a Fact, Sleep Paralysis, Illuminati, and My Ride's Here. Oh wait, yeah, My Ride's Here. I look hilarious with this powder under my face. Okay, let's start. Okay, so we're gonna start with, we'll start with a very nice transition color. We'll start with My Pills, and we're gonna be using a Wet n Wild brush for that. And we're just gonna apply it to set a base, you know, a base color. And now do the same on the other eye. So that's My Pills. That's My Pills! Anyway, we're gonna move into Pigment. And for Pigment, we're gonna use a e.l.f. blending eye brush. And we're gonna use Pigment, and it's very pigmented, guys. So let's start in the center. In circular motions, just buff everything out. I love the little stamp on Pigment. It's a little pig. So far, I love the colors. They're super smooth, super soft, super easy to blend together. Like, Wow. Okay, so that was Pigment. So I really want to do Trisha, but at the same time I want to use Cheese Dust and Flaming Hot, but like let's do this is when it gets complicated. Like we're gonna use a clean blending eye brush by Elf, and we're gonna move into Trisha, and we're gonna apply Trisha on the lids. So I do have a little bit of fallout, but not too crazy, you know what I mean? So I'm happy that I put a little bit of powder under the eyes. Okay, Trisha's on. Now we're gonna use no regrets. We're gonna use a little Morphe 158 brush, and we're gonna use Cheese Dust, and we're gonna apply it just on the lash line, you know? We're gonna use Food Videos, which is this very bright color here, and we're gonna apply that on the bottom. Can y'all see this color? It's pretty. You guys, I don't know for how long the camera was off, so what I just did was I applied Food Videos right on the bottom lash line. Now I'm doing it on the other eye. So Diet Cola, let's apply Diet Cola in the inner corner of the eye. We're gonna dive into Diet Cola right here, and we'll apply that in the inner corner of the eyes. And let's kind of drag it upward. Okay, you guys, so this is what I have done so far. So right here, we have Diet Cola, and we smudged it into the middle of the eyelid. And over here we have Diet Cola, and we smudged it to the middle of the eyelid. And then in the inner corner of the eyes, we have Ranch, which is this white one up here. Ranch in the inner corner of the eyes. So now, okay, let's add a little bit of depth to the outer corner of the eyes. We're gonna use Not Effect, which is this dark maroon color here. And for that, we're gonna use the JS6, and we're gonna dive into Not Effect, and we're gonna apply this on the outer corner of the eyes. Now that Not Effect is on the outer corner of the eyes, that definitely changes up the look a lot because it adds depth and dimension, and it doesn't look flat, you know? I actually feel like adding Flaming Hot on top of the Cheese Dust, because I feel like the Cheese Dust is being overpowered by the rest of the other colors. So let's add a little bit of red, and we're gonna use this little Morphe brush that we used for Cheese Dust. Okay, and now that we're done applying the shadows that we want, we're gonna dust the rest of this face off. Am I recording? So I'm pretty much done with the eyes. I'm very satisfied with the eyes. Let's see how many colors we used for the eyes. So for the colors we used Ranch, My Pills, Pigment, Food Videos, Trisha, Cheese Dust, Flamin' Hot, Diet Cola, Not Effect, and Illuminati. So that is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I used 10 shades on my eyes today. Is that real? Is that for real? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I used 10 shades on my eyes today. So let's finish off this look with the lips and the highlighter, and we'll check it out at the end. The highlighter, we're gonna start off with King Tut. I like how this eyelash looks on this eye compared to this eye. This one looks sad. This one looks like, you know? So now, we're gonna top it with the Supreme Frost in the shade Caramel Kiss. This is from the Jawbreaker collection. And I got it in the mystery box. So let's top King Tut off. So it gives you more of a wet feel. And we're gonna use a little bit around the eyebrow bone. And then just blend it all together with the King Tut brush. For the lips, we're gonna jump to, I was gonna use the Halloween color called Zombie Kiss, which is a purple, which it wouldn't look that bad, to be honest. Is it too much purple? No, let's try it out, guys. Let's try out Zombie Kiss. This smells so good. It smells like frosting, like literally frosting. Oh my god, I really love this color. I think I found my new favorite shade. But this is limited edition. I love this color. So this color is a purple shade with pink little glitters. It looks like pink glitters mixed with a little bit of light orange glitters. I'm not sure, but I'm digging it. I really like this color. And I like the color combo, actually. Alright, you guys, well, let's take a closer look for today's look. Alright guys, well this is today's look. So this was achieved using the new Conspiracy palette by Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star. Yay! So on the lips, I have the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick and Zombie Kiss. And on the eyes, we have 10 shades of the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star Conspiracy palette. Well, I'm really loving the palette. I think the color combo looks great. And then the highlighters work really well together. That was my first time using that new Supreme Frost highlighter. So yeah, oh my god, the colors look so pretty together. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Look at that. Alright, well yes. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this look, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought about this look and what you guys think about the new Conspiracy palette. It's pretty, huh? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified of all the videos that I've been uploading, okay? I'll see you guys soon. Bye.